Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the 3 essential steps to build a passive income empire with Onpassive. Passive income is the key to unlocking true financial freedom. It's about building a system that generates income for you, even while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. If you're looking to create a steady stream of income without constant effort, you're in the right place. Let's get started. But before we do, please take a moment and subscribe to this channel. Also like and comment below. Thanks. Alright, so you want to build a passive income empire? The first brick you need to lay is identifying your niche. It's about finding the sweet spot where your passions intersect with a hungry market. Think about it. What gets you fired up? What are you genuinely knowledgeable about? But here's the thing, passion alone isn't enough. You need to make sure there's a demand for it. Are people actively searching for information, products, or services related to your niche? Do some research. Look at online forums, social media groups, and even competitor websites. See what people are talking about, what problems they're facing, and what solutions they're looking for. Remember, your niche is the foundation of your passive income empire. It's what will attract your audience, build your brand, and ultimately, generate that sweet, sweet passive income. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Here's an example. Let's say you're really into sustainable living. A quick search online shows that eco-friendly products are in high demand. People are looking for information on how to live more sustainably. Bingo! You found a potential gold mine. Now let's say your passion is collecting vintage stamps. While it's a cool hobby, the market might be a bit niche. The point is, finding the right niche is crucial. It's about aligning your passions with market demand to maximize your chances of success. Now that you've identified your niche, it's time to build the machine that will generate that passive income. This is where Onpassive comes in. Think of Onpassive as your AI-powered business partner, working tirelessly behind the scenes to automate your business processes. From email marketing and social media management to customer support and even product delivery, Onpassive has got you covered. Imagine you're building an online course about healthy cooking on a budget. You could spend hours each day manually emailing potential students, answering questions, and processing payments. Or, you could let Onpassive handle all of that for you. With Onpassive, you can set up automated email sequences that nurture leads and guide them towards purchasing your course. You can use their chatbot feature to provide instant customer support, answering common questions and resolving issues 24/7. And you can even automate the entire payment and delivery process, ensuring a seamless experience for your customers. The beauty of automation is that it frees up your time and mental energy. You no longer have to be chained to your computer, micromanaging every aspect of your business. Instead, you can focus on what truly matters: creating high-quality content, connecting with your audience, and scaling your business to new heights. Onpassive's AI-driven tools are designed to optimize your business processes, identifying areas for improvement and streamlining your operations. This means more leads, more sales, and ultimately, more passive income for you. Onpassive offers a suite of tools and resources that are designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. They have a drag-and-drop website builder, pre-designed email templates, and intuitive automation workflows that you can customize to fit your specific needs. Plus, their customer support team is always there to help you every step of the way. Alright, you've identified your niche, you've automated your business processes with Onpassive, and the passive income is starting to roll in. Congratulations, my friend, you're well on your way to building that empire. But the journey doesn't end there. Now it's time to scale your business and diversify your income streams. Think of it like this. You've built a solid foundation for your house, but you don't want to stop there, do you? You want to expand your reach, increase your earning potential, and create a fortress that can withstand any financial storm. Scaling your business means taking what's already working and multiplying it. If you're selling an online course, for example, you could create different pricing tiers, offer group coaching programs, or even partner with affiliates to promote your course to a wider audience. The key is to find ways to leverage your existing assets and systems to generate more revenue without significantly increasing your workload. But scaling is just one part of the equation. You also want to diversify your income streams. This means creating multiple sources of passive income from different avenues. By diversifying, you're creating a safety net for yourself. If one income stream takes a hit, you'll have others to fall back on. So how do you actually diversify? The possibilities are endless. You could start a blog or YouTube channel related to your niche, write and sell an ebook, create and sell online courses, or even invest in dividend-paying stocks or real estate. The key is to explore different options and find what aligns with your skills, interests, and overall business goals. Remember, building a passive income empire is a marathon, not a sprint. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building your passive income empire. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Start by identifying your niche, leverage the power of Onpassive to automate your business, and never stop scaling and diversifying your income streams. See you in the next video. For more information about Onpassive and making money online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.